Good morning, students. So we'll continue with our chapter 2, quadratic equation revision. See, the last class, find the value of x. We learned about this finding the value of k. Okay, and with the p variable we learned. Now see with the m variable. Okay, the same type of question you see. Find the value of k if one of the root of the quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Okay, so here also it is in the fraction form. How we can do this one? See, write down the equation first. 5m square plus 2m plus k equal to 0. And then this minus 7 upon 5 means m equal to minus 7 upon 5. Put m equal to minus 7 upon 5. Because variable is here m. That's why I have put here m. Okay. So wherever m comes, just to substitute with the number minus 7 upon 5. Clear, children? Yes. Now, see 5 I have written like that. And instead of m, I have substituted minus 7 upon 5. Minus 7 upon 5, here square is there. So I have put here square. Minus 7 upon 5, the whole square. Okay, then write this plus sign over here. 2, then again, this m value is minus 7 upon 5 plus k equal to 0. Clear, children? Now we have to do the simplification. Okay. So here minus 7 upon 5 the whole square. No? So you take the square of this. Minus 7 square and 5 square. Minus 7 into minus 7, how much you will get? Yes. And 5 into 5, how much you will get? Yes. So you see here. See 5 into minus 7 into minus 7, you will get 49. 5 into 5, you will get 25. Clear? Then here plus is there, here minus is there. So plus into minus, here it becomes minus. Now you multiply this 2 to the numerator. 2 into 7, 17. Write this 5 as it is. Then plus k equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the next step? See here 5 is here and 25 is here. So cancel these two. So what you will get here, children? See, when you are cancelling this 5 and this 25, how many times it goes? It goes 5 times. Okay. Yes. So 49 you write here and this 5 will come over here. Clear, children? So 49 upon 5 minus this 14 upon 5 you write as it is. Plus k equal to 0. Now 49 upon 5 minus 14 upon 5. Our denominators are same. So we can subtract easily. Yes, take that 5 down and 49 minus 14. Plus k you write as it is. So 49, 14 goes means how much you will get? 35 will get. Okay, 35 upon 5 plus k you write as it is plus k equal to 0. Now this 5 and 35 you do the cancellation. How many times it goes? Yes, 7 times. 35 in 5, 7 times it goes. Then 7 plus k you write here equal to 0. Clear, children? Now what we what we're supposed to find out? The value of k. Yes, therefore you keep k this side and take the minus plus 7 to the other side, it becomes minus 7. So the k value you got it as minus 7. Clear, children? This type of sums you will get for 2 marks or 3 marks. Okay, minus 7 upon 5 fraction if they give means surely they will ask for 3 marks. Okay. Yes, now you see here activity question. Based on this, to find the k value, activity question also is there. See this question, my children, especially this minus 7 upon 5. In our textbook, it is given as a activity question. Okay, so this also they may ask in activity form. Okay. Yes. Now you see here one question is given. So this is also textual question only, but a repeated question. 2-3 times they have asked in the board exam. Okay, students. One of the root of the quadratic equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 equal to 0 is 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Okay, so like this, they will be giving all these steps. Okay, only we have to fill these boxes. Clear, children? Okay. Sometimes, if you cannot do directly, what you can do in this side, you can solve the sum and then you can fill these boxes. Is it clear, children? Okay. Yes. See, this and all is given. 5 is the root of the quadratic equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 equal to 0. Substitute x equal to 5 in the equation. This everything will be given in the question paper. Okay. So k, this box what will come? So this box what will come? 5. Okay. So you have tried to 5. So the box is very small. Yes. Okay. So 5. 5 you have written. So k into 5 square minus here now this box. What will come? See, k I have written and 5 square in place of x I have substituted 5. Okay. So I have written here 5. Then minus sign is here. So I have written here minus sign. And what supposed to come here in this box? Yes, 14 is here, no children. So 14 will come here. Okay. Yes, let me write 14 there. Okay. Yes, 14 will come there. 14. And what is the next one? X in place of x, they have already substituted there. Okay, 5 minus this 5 will come over here. Clear, children? Here 5 is there, here 14 is there. Now, 5 5 is 25. You write this k here, okay? 25k and minus 14 5s are 70 and minus 5. All these things are given here, okay? Then 25k will be here. This step you see, children, 25k, and here you see minus 70 minus 5. So it is the same sign. So what you have to do? Add and put the same sign. So what we will get? Minus 70 minus 5. How much we will get? Minus 75 equal to 0. Clear, children? Minus 75 equal to 0. So now 25k, you keep it this side. And this minus 75 will go to the other side. Okay, that means it comes to this box. So minus 75 comes to the other side. It will become plus 75. Clear, children? So in this box, I will get plus 75. Is it clear, children? Okay. Yes, like this simultaneously also you can solve it. Otherwise, fully you solve in the other side or above or below. You solve it and then you fill the boxes. Then you see, our aim is to find the k. So k is given already here. And here one box is there, here one box is there. So what will come over here? Yes, 75 will be here. And this 25 will come here. Okay. Yes. So here 25. Sorry. 75 and denominator 25. Okay, students? Yes. So now you see here 75, here 20. 25, how many times it goes? How many times it goes? 3 times. Very good. Okay, so k value 3. So this value also they have given already. So what you have to do, we have to fill this box, and this 3 box over, and this fully they will take as a 1 box. Okay, so that means half, for this one half, and here half mark. So 2 marks you will be getting for this type of activity questions. Is it clear, children? So to find the k value, you may get 1 activity questions. Clear? Yes. Now we'll go to the next sum. factorization method. Factorization method, you know, whenever we solve the quadratic equation, there are three methods. But here in this year, we are going to study only two methods. You learned already, you might have learned. Okay, so two methods. That is, one is factorization method. The another one is formula method. Okay, students. Now, factorization method means you know how to do this one. So just you will do the revision. See, solve the quadratic equation x square plus 8x plus 15 equal to 0 by factorization method. In this factorization only, you will be having three categories. Okay, one is what? This x square coefficient will be 1. The another category is x square coefficient is more than 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4, whatever number. Okay, so like that one category is there. And one more is they will not give all the three terms. Any two terms they will give, and they will ask us to find the, solve the equation by factorization. So three categories are there. We will see here now one by one. Okay, yes. Now, how we can solve this type of factorization? X square plus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. So you know you have to split the middle term. Okay, now three terms are there. We have to make it to 4 terms. Is it clear, children? How it will become 4 terms? This 8x we have to split into 2 terms. Middle term we have to split into 2 terms. Is it clear? Okay, so how we can split? See, yes, here one more short term is there, children, explanation. I will explain you. If you can understand, you follow it up. Otherwise, what you have learned already, you follow that also, no problem. Okay, students? Yes. See, now listen here. Here, the last term you see 15. Okay, so that one we have to write here. And middle term, that means x coefficient is how much? 8. So you take that one down. Okay, so here what we have to do? Whenever we multiply, we have to get 15. When we do plus or minus, we have to get 8. So we have to find both the numbers. Two numbers we have to find. So what are those two numbers? Yes, I have written already here. So 5 3s are 15. Okay, so you write here 5 3s are 15. So you can check and see. So you can check and see, children. See, 5 3s are 15 we got, and 5 plus 3 8 we got. Okay, so that means our required number is plus 5 and plus 3. Is it clear, children? Yes. So that plus 5 and plus 3, I have written in the middle. Instead of this 8x, I have written this 5 and 3 along with x. Here also x we have to put. Here also x we have to put. So x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. Now what happened? 3 terms, it became 4 terms. Now two terms we have to consider and take the common outside. First, these 2 terms we have to take the common outside, and then next 2 terms we have to take the common outside. Is it clear, children? So how we will do? See here. Here x into x. Here 5 into x. So what is common here? X is common, children. So you take x common outside. Okay. So what will be remaining here? X will be remaining and 5 also. So x, and here middle sign is plus, and you write here 5. So x plus 5. Clear, children? And then this is plus. Here also you see 3 into x. Here also 3 is there. 3 into 5. Clear? So here what will be common outside? 3 will be common outside. So I have taken the 3 common. And what is left out? X is left out. And then this sign you write as it is. And here 15 is there. So 15 means already 3 you have taken outside. So what is remaining here? 5 is remaining. Is it clear, children? Yes. And always, you know, the first bracket number and the second, the numbers are the terms there in the inside the bracket are same. These two will be same. So just you check it always. Clear, children? Yes. Now all the 4 terms, now it becomes again 2 terms. Okay, so now these 2 terms you see, which is common. Here also x plus 5, here also x plus 5. So you take this as common outside. So x plus 5 I have taken common outside. Yes. Now what is remaining? This x plus 3 is remaining. So I have taken here x plus 3 here. Understood, children? Yes, equal to 0. So once we reach here, no, and then we can proceed further very easily. Only to reach this much, you will be doing very carefully. And after this, we can do it very easily. Okay, x plus 5 into x plus 3 equal to 0. Now what we have to do? Each term we have to equate with 0. So what we will get? What we will get? X plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. X plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of x. You know, in the linear equation, we got 2 solutions. That means x value and y value. In the quadratic equation, also we will get 2 solutions, but same. For x only, we will get 2 solutions. Because x square is there, no, degree is 2, no. So that's why we will get 2 solutions here also. See now, x equal to plus 5. When it comes to the other side, it becomes minus 5. Clear, children? Or x equal to this plus 3 comes to the other side, it becomes minus 3. Clear? Okay. So for this type of questions, you will get for 2 marks. Clear, children? So we'll do one more sum like this. At last, you have to write the answer. That means minus 5 and minus 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So this answer is always you have to be, you have to write this answer, children. Don't forget. Now, we will see the next sum. Yes, this is also the same type. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus x minus 20 equal to 0 by factorization method. Write the equation first. X square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. I have written over here. Here also, children, this middle term splitting, no, we have to find 2 numbers. This middle term we have to split. To split this middle term into 2, we need 2 numbers. How we can find it? As I told you before, this minus 20, you write in the top, and here x coefficient is how much? 1. So 1 you write in the write down. So how I can write here? See, 20 I will write over here, and this 1 I will write over here. Okay, and this 20 is not plus 20, it is minus 20. So along with the sign, you write it. Now you see, children, what are the 2 numbers? Here already given, don't see that one. Okay, so now what are the 2 numbers? 5 4s are 20. Okay, but now you see, we will check it. Now we will check it. 5 is here, 4 is here. 5 4s are 20, but here minus sign is there. So where we will put the minus sign? Here 1 we have to get. Here minus 20 we have to get. Okay, children. So 5 4s are 20. So this minus will come in the smaller number. Because here we want plus, so it will come in the smaller number. Okay, so how I will write here? Minus. Now you check and see, children. 5 4s are 20, plus into minus, minus. You got it? Now different sign, subtract it. 5 minus 4 goes means from 5 minus 4 goes means how much you will get? 1 you will get. So that means these 2 numbers are satisfy the given 2 numbers. Is it clear, children? So we need this minus 5 plus 5 and minus 4. So split here. X square you write, plus x. Instead of plus x, 5x minus 4x you write over here. Plus 5x minus 4x plus 20 equal to 0. Clear, children? And what is the next step? Now 4 terms we got. Now we have to make into 2 terms. For that, first 2 terms, you take a common outside. So here what is common? X is common. The remaining is x plus 5 you will get. So you write here x plus 5. And then minus you write here 4x minus 4x plus 20 is here. And then you take 4 common outside. So x plus 5 you will be getting over here. And then here you common take outside, children, x plus 5. And here x minus 4 you will get. So then you equate to 0. You will get here x equal to minus 5 and x equal to 4. Okay, students? Yes, here a little minus sign is going wrong there. Okay, we will see the next sum, children. See, listen. Yes, now you see here, next one. Solve the quadratic equation 5m square minus 22m minus 15 equal to 0 by factorization method. Clear, children? Solve the quadratic equation 5m square minus 22m minus 15 equal to 0 by factorization method. Here you see, here it is not 1. The coefficient of m square, you see more than 1. So if it comes like this, what do you have to do? Write first here 5m square minus 22m minus 15 equal to 0. Now you see, yes. So how we can split over here? See, the same way you take here, when you are considering this minus 15, no, multiply this 5 with this minus 15. Okay, multiply this 5 with the minus 15. So how much you will get? Minus 75. Minus 75 you will get. And when you are adding or subtraction, how much you will get here? Minus 22 we have to get. Clear, children? So minus 75 minus 22 we have to get. So what are the two numbers? So 25 3s are 25 3s are 75. Is it clear, children? 25 3s are 75. Now you see, we want here also minus sign, top also minus sign, and below also we want minus sign. So what we can do, the greater number sign you put the minus. Now you see, plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus, 25 3s are 75. We are getting different signs subtracted. Minus 25 3 goes means how much you will get? Minus 22 you will get here, children? Yes. Now you write here minus 22. Instead of minus 22m, you write minus 25m and plus 3m. Clear? And to minus 15 equal to 0. Now you take the common outside here. Okay. So 5m square minus 25m. Take the common outside. So what you will get? 5m is common. You are getting the children. Otherwise, if you want, you write here. This one, how you can split it? 5 into m into m. Okay, students. And then here 25m, how we can split? 5 into m. Okay. 5 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 25 into m, 25m. Okay, students. Here 5 into m. Now, what is common here? What is common here? Okay, 5 is common. And what else is common? M is common. So 5m you can take outside. So that's why I have taken this 5m common outside. Clear, children? So what is left out? M is left out, and here 5 is left out. And m you write here, and minus you write over here, and this 5 you write here. So m minus 5 you will be getting. Is it clear, children? So 5m into m minus 5. Clear? So this is splitting. If you cannot do directly, you can split like this, and you can take the common outside. Clear, children? Yes. Now you see. Next one you see 3m and minus 15. So here also 3m you can write here 3 into m, and 15 you can write 3 into 5. Okay. So 3m 3 into m, and this 15 3 into m you can. So what is common here? 3 is common. You take 3 common outside. So I have taken here. And what is left out? M and minus 15. sorry, minus 5. 5 is left out, no children here. So this 5 you have to write over here. Clear? So m minus 5, m minus 5. We are getting the same answer. Yes. Now you see, m minus 5 is common now. M minus 5 is common. Take it outside, m minus 5. And what is remaining? 5m plus 3 is remaining. 5m plus 3 is remaining. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now what you have to do? Equate to 0. Every term you equate to 0. So m minus 5 equal to 0 and 5m plus 3 equal to 0. Clear, children? Now, what will you do the next one? See. Yes, I'll repeat that same step. Yes, now what you have to do? Wait, children. Yes, now you see, here m equal to 5. That means m you keep it this side and minus we take the other side. So m equal to 5 or 5m you keep it this side. This plus 3 goes to the other side. It becomes minus 3. 5m equal to minus 3. Clear, children? So m equal to, therefore, m equal to 5 or we need m value. So m equal to minus 3. This 5 will come to the denominator. So minus 3 upon 5 we are getting. So what will be the last answer? 5 and minus 3 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Understood, children? So whenever they give this m square, that means square term coefficient is more than 1. So we have to do like this and we will get the answer in this way. Clear, children? Okay. Yes. We'll see one more sum. See here, this is another type you see. This is x square is more than 1, but here you see it's a root they have given, root 2, and here also root 2 is there. So when they give in this way, this one 3 marks, you may get this type of question. Okay, so we will see how we can solve this type of question. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Yes. Now you see, this one and this one we have to multiply. These two we have to multiply. How we will multiply, children? Root 2 into 5 root 2. How much you will get? 5 ones are 5. Root 2 into root 2. I taught you before also. I asked you, root 3 into root 3. Root 9 you will get. So when you take square root of 9, you will get 3 only as answer. That means root 3 into root 3, 3 you will get. So root 2 into root 2, how much you will get? 2 only you will get. That means root 4. Take the square root of 4, you will get 2. So how much, children? 10 you are getting. Okay? Yes. Now, when you are multiplying, you have to get 10. When you are adding or subtracting, you have to get 7. What are the two numbers? Clear, children? See, when I am multiplying, I have to get 10. When I am adding, because here both the signs are plus. So when we are adding, we have to get 7. So what are the numbers? Yes. So here 5 has to come and here 2 has to come. 5 2s are 10. So these two are the numbers. See, 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 2, 7. Clear, children? So now instead of this middle term, we have to write this 5x and 2x. Clear? See. Root 2x square you write as it is. We have multiplied, but we have not removed from here. When we write the next step, no, you have to write this root 2. Root 2 into x square, root 2x square plus. Instead of the 7x, you can write 5x and 2x. Okay, 5x plus 2x. Then plus this 5 root 2, you write as it is. Now you see, children, you have to take the common out. You have to take the common out. Yes, here x into x. X is there, here also x is there. So what will be common here? X will be common. And what will be remaining? Root 2 into x is remaining, then plus 5 is remaining. So you got it like this. See, x is outside and root 2x plus 5 is remaining. Now, next one you see here, children. 2x is here and 5 root 2 is here. So what is common? See, here root 2 has come, no? So here also second bracket also we need root 2. So that means how we can split here, you see, this 2 we can split into root 2 into root 2 into x. Understood, children? How I can split this to root 2 into root 2 into x? Because you know root 2 into root 2, what you will get? 2 only you will get. So root 2 into root 2 into x you will be writing. Plus 5 root 2. Now which and all is 5 root 2 means 5 into root 2. So what is common now? This root 2 is common now. Okay. So 1 root 2 and this root 2 will be common now. So I have taken that root 2 common outside. Clear, children? This root 2 is common. So I have taken that common outside. So what is remaining here? Root 2 is remaining, x is remaining. So this root x you write over here. Plus, here what is left out? 5. So write over here. Understood, children? If you want, I will explain once again here. See, this 2 is here. So 2 you have to write, you can split it as root 2 into root 2. This x has come here. Root 2 into root 2 into x. Here already one root 2 is here. Here also root 2. You can take root 2 common outside. So the left out is root 2 into x. You can write here root 2x plus here left out is 5. You write here 5. Clear, children? Yes. Now you see here also root 2x plus 5. Here also root 2x plus 5. Take this one common outside. So what you will get? Root 2 plus x 5 and the remaining is x plus root 2. X plus root 2, root 2x plus 5. If you write this one here, you write this one here, no problem. Okay, children? So root 2x plus 5 and x plus root 2, you are getting over here. Clear, children? Now equate to 0. X plus root 2 equal to 0 and root 2x or root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now x equal to minus root 2. This plus root 2 comes to this side. It becomes minus root 2. Okay, students? Then root 2x equal to this plus 5 comes to the other side. It becomes minus. But what we need actually? Wait, students. Yes. So what we need here, x value is here, and here we need x value, no? So you keep this x value here, minus 5, and root 2, you take it to the other side. So minus 5 upon root 2. Clear, children? So x equal to minus root 2 or x equal to minus 5 root 2. So then write the last answer. So what's the last answer? Minus root 2 minus 5 upon root 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Is it clear, children? Okay, so this type of question, you practice it. I think 2 questions are there in your, one question is in solved example and one is in the exercise. They have given this. So it is very important. So we will see the next sum. Yes. So here one more type of factorization. How to solve the given equation by factorization method. So you see here, children, here all the 3 terms are not given, but the main term is there. Okay, equation, because the degree is 2 only. This equation degree is 2. 25m square equal to 9. 25m square equal to 9. So if they give like this, so how we can do? Okay, see, listen here, children. See, take this 9 inside. 25m square, this plus 9 comes to the other side, I mean left side. How what it becomes? Minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so this type of question they asked in the board exam, students. So you have to practice this one well. 25m square minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, students. And then now you see here 25m square is there minus. And next one, this 25, can we write it as 5? 5 square. 25 can we write it as 5 square? And m square is there minus 9. Can we write it as 3 square? Okay. Now 5 square m square, can we take common? This square, can we take it common? Yes. So 5m the whole square. That's why I have written here common. Understood, children? 5 square m square, we can write it as 5m the whole square. The square will come common. Is it clear? And minus 3 square. Understood, children? Minus 3 square. Yes. Now, what is this form? 5m square minus 3 square. Is it the form of a square minus b square? Okay. So what is that formula? A square minus b square. What is the formula, children? This is one identity. Okay. So a plus b into a minus b. You know, no, children, this one, you already learned this. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So substitute this identity over here. So what will be a here? 5m. What will be b? 3. So a plus b a into a minus b means how we will get here? 5m plus 3 into 5m minus 3. Okay, 5m plus 3 into 5m minus 3 equal to 0. What is our aim? We have to find the m value. What is our aim? We have to find the m value. Is it clear, children? Yes. So now this type you got. No? Now each term you have to equate to 0. Each term you have to equate to 0. So how you will do? 5m plus 3 equal to 0 and 5m minus or 5m minus 3 equal to 0. Now we'll find the m value. See, 5m equal to this plus 3 comes to the other side, so it becomes minus 3, or 5m equal to this minus 3 comes to the other side, it becomes 3. Is it clear, children? Okay. Yes. Now you see next one. Therefore, m equal to minus 3 you keep it here and 5 you bring it to the denominator. Clear, children? Here also same thing. 3 and this 5 will come in the denominator. Is it clear, children? Yes. Here m equal to minus 3 upon 5 or m equal to 3 upon 5. So what you will write the last answer? Minus 3 and 5 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 5. Sorry, plus 3 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 5 is the are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Okay, so this type of question comes means this one they will ask for 1 mark also or else 2 marks you will get. Clear, children? See, the only thing you have to remember a square minus b square. This form you have to remember. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now we'll go to the next sum. Yes, see here, solve 7m square equal to 21m. So here also all the 3 terms are not given, only 2 terms are given. Is it clear, children? So what you have to do? Take this 21m to the left side of the equation so that this plus will become minus. Clear? Yes. Now how I have written, see, 7m square, this 21m come this side means it will become minus 21m equal to 0. Clear, children? Yes. Now here you see the 7m square, how we can split? 7 into m into m, we can split. And this 21m, how we can split? 7 into 3 into m, we can split like this. Clear, children? Okay. See, 7m square, 7 into m, we can split it. 21m, 7 into 3 into m. Now, what are all is common? 7 is common, m is common. Okay, students. So 7m, we can take it outside. So when you take 7m common outside, so what will be remaining, children, inside? This m is remaining and a minus sign is here and here 3 is remaining. So 7m into m minus 3 equal to 0 you will get. Clear, children? To take the common. If you take directly common outside, it's okay, no problem. If anyone is average or below average students are there, no, children. If you are not understanding, just to do it like this. With the pencil, you write like this. Okay, so that to take the common, it will be easy for you. Clear? Now it is left out m and 3. In between minus sign is there. So m minus 3. Clear, children? So 7m into m minus 3 equal to 0. Now, the next one. Now you see 7m into m minus 3. Here also two terms are there. Equate each term to 0. So what you will get? 7m equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0. Then, therefore, m equal to, that is 0, the 7 will come in the denominator. So 0 upon 7, you will get 0 only. So m equal to 0, directly you can write it. Or m equal to, this minus 3 comes to the other side, it becomes plus 3. Clear, children? So m equal to 0 or m equal to 3 is our answer. The last answer how we can write? Therefore, 0, 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Understood, children? Understood? Yes. Now, we can go for the next one. Next also one more sum they have given like that, you see. Yes. So solve m square minus 11 equal to 0. M square minus 11 equal to 0. So how we can do this one? See, the first sum, that means one sum previously, we have seen here perfect square number they have given. Here also perfect number they have given. Second sum we have seen, in that common we can take outside. But here you see no perfect square number, no common number also. So how we can do this type of question? You are getting, children? Okay. Yes. See how I can write here m square, no? Here also square we have to take. How we can take the square? You see. As I told you before, root 2 into root 2, 2. Root 5 into root 5, 5. Okay, so like that, this 11, can I take a root 11 the whole square? Root 11 the whole square? Because root 11 to root 11, what you will get back? This 11 only you will get, no? Okay, students, so we can take here root 11 the whole square. Clear, children? Yes. Now you know this is a square minus b square. So what is the a square minus b square form? A square minus b square. So what is the identity, student? A plus b into a minus b. Understood? The same thing you substitute over here. Same thing you substitute over here. So what you will get? M plus root 11 into m minus root 11 you will get. M plus root 11 into m minus root 11 you will be get. Clear, children? Okay, now each one you equate to 0. Each one you equate to 0. So how you will get? M plus root 11 equal to 0, m minus root 11 equal to 0. And m equal to this plus root 11 comes to the other side, it becomes minus root 11, or m equal to minus root 11 comes this side, it will be plus root 11. Clear, children? So what are the answer? What are the roots? Minus root 11 or plus root 11. So what will be the last answer you will be writing? Minus root 11 and root 11 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Yes. Now time up. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, children. Any doubt if you have, please ask me.
Students, Aditya. Aditya, what is your doubt? You can ask.
Ma'am, that fourth one sum will you explain again?
Which fourth one? Wait. This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here, where you are feeling difficult, tell me. To find the middle number?
No, ma'am. In the next step, root 2 and root 2 is common becoming.
Yes. See, here to take common outside, you will be getting easy. That means X is common out, so you have taken X common outside. So root 2 X plus 5. I think this will be easy for you. What about here? See, listen carefully. This 2X, how I can write? Root 2 into root 2 into X. Because you know root 2 into root 2, root 4. That means when you take the square root of 4, you will get 2 only answer. Okay, children? So root 2 into root 2, you'll get back 2 only. So instead of 2, while splitting, we can split it as root 2 into root 2. Clear? And here 5 root 2 is there. So 5 root 2, how we can write? 5 into root 2. Clear? Now, what is common? Root 2 is common. So I have taken this root 2 common outside. What is left out? Root 2 into X is left out. And here 5 is left out. So in between plus sign is there. So root 2x plus 5 I have written. Now you understood? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Is anybody else children? Anyone have doubt?
Okay, teacher, there is no doubt. We'll wind up. the
Okay.
lecture.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, very nice PPT made by you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
I explained